So if you ever had your hood fly open, you know, you get those deja vus going down the track. So even down the highway. So we put the hood latches on today. And in a couple minutes, gonna show you exactly how we did it. All right, hold on to your seats, hold my beer, and let's do this. No, the battery is gone. All right, so that's it, a little hole there.
It's a little bit off, but you know, we'll take care of it when we make the bigger hole.
Bid so you know, guys. So we had to make a wedge, not a wedgie like in school, but a wedge.
Now we're talking.
Show them what the wedge is.
The wedge is so I can try to get this thing as straight as possible, but it's not working out for me. Now we're too far. Jesus Christ. No, I know what it is. This hole has to be twisted that way. See what I mean? So I can.
It has to have a little slant.
Yeah.
You see the wedge? This is the wedge. It's almost like a ring.
Yep. Watch out. Don't want to hit you guys in the face with any projectiles. Let's try this again. I think we went too far, Bullwinkle. Yeah, we did. We gotta give it less wedge, guys, because angle. See what I'm trying to do, guys? I'm trying to get this thing straight. Oh, but look, wait a second. Wait, stand by, stand by. No, it's too much. See, it's going off to the back. I want to get it nice and straight like that. So that when he's working on his motor over there and he falls and slips, it can go right through his stomach.
Okay.
It'll be awesome.
So we're gonna change the wedge.
Then our video can go straight to the hospital.
Change your wedge. Back to the drawing board.
Oh, well, what do you think?
Looks good. Straight. Cool. As straight as you're gonna get it. That's the idea. And that wrench.
Give me that rag so I don't scratch the paint.
One rag so you don't scratch the paint. Good luck, doctor.
You guys ever played Operation?
Look at there. I'll be horse whipped and dipped in hot oil.
That's why I got 4 kids.
How? Why? All right, so we got a screwdriver here holding the circle so it can be uniform with the other one. It's going to be facing sideways as we tighten it up. Oh. This is a fiberglass hood. Fiberglass hood. So all we do is we put a little dash of paint.
No, it was anti-seize.
Anti-seize. And put it on the top. We close the hood and then mark the spot. There she is, sticking out nice.
So now everything else is self-explanatory. You're gonna put your little piece on there, try to uniform everything. Put your 4 little screws on there, and you got your hood pins. Pretty easy, huh?
Pretty cool. And I like that they're black to match the black. The black. Drill the little holes, putting in the screws in.
Right here.
So do the honors, sir.
Get the hood pin. Bada boom, bada boom. You can't get any better than that.
Look at that.
But knowing but knowing the inlet, I'm gonna take the anti-seize here.
A little dab will do.
Yeah. And I did this side, and I checked them, and I kind of amazed myself sometimes.
Oh boy,
I don't know if it was luck. I wish I had that same luck winning the Florida lottery.
All right,
It ain't gonna happen.
let me bring down the hood.
Yeah, bring down the
Line it
hood.
up. So there is the mark. Let me back it up. There it is right there. Basically the same spot where this one is.